Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome to DWBIADDA Angular tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the component side nav. So this is the side nav. It has an API, this, which we need to install within app.module.ts file. I have explained you 2-3 times before as well. So here, if you copy this keyword, you can see that I have already installed this API within my file. There were 3 places I have already explained to you that this API should be installed, kept in 3 places. After this, in navigation, you can see in overview section, they are providing us the HTML part. So this is the HTML part. It is the container and it is a variable should run, which is coming from the TS file. So here is the TS file and should run is here. Because this is a shared site, which is not particularly for displaying the side nav, so we need to install this inside our project to see this example up and running. So coming back onto our project, you can see here I have installed the side menu. This is the side nav container, as you can see here, and in between it there are some options available. So this is the side nav container. If I close it, this much is the side nav menu, and in between it there is the side nav drawer. So what is this drawer means? There are different type of options available. Drawer will come on this part. It will open up on this part and there will be menus available. So we have used the option drawer and mode from side. And in map nav list, we have declared 2 anchor tabs. One is the menu 1 and one is the menu 2. And with these tabs, we have used 2 icons as well. So one is the dial pad, one is the setting input composite. As I've already explained you how to install these icons within the Angular project, and I've already shown you the list which is available. So let's see this in action. So after compiling the project, you will see a side menu something like this. So it is in the open state. When I go and click this hamburger icon, this menu closes. When I click it again, this menu again opens. So this is what I am talking about, the side navbar menu. So this side navbar menu has been integrated from Material Angular, this part. So there are other tons of options available on this sidebar menu. You can just read it. It is very simple and use it within the project. But you can't see those examples here because they need extra full project running onto them. This is another example. And this is the other example. So if you see this HTML here, it is depending on should run. I have used open as a keyword here. It means that by default, the menu will remain open, and when we click on this button, the menu will close or will be shown later. So as you can see, this is our hamburger button. So what is the configuration I have done? On click, I am toggling the drawer. So drawer is basically this side nav. So there is no TS configuration required here. We are simply using this drawer, and we are toggling the drawer on the click of this button. As you can see, there is no TS configuration has been done by me. It is just we are using the options available within the HTML of the side nav. So next is Toolbar. It is very simple to use, and there are some examples available. You can also theme these toolbars by changing CSS values. So if you click on theming, you will get an idea how to theme these things. Each and every component is very much adjustable. So the basic use of this material Angular is this, that there are some built-in components available ready to use. You just need to integrate it and understand the component and its option and use it according to your needs. So the next topic we are going to discuss about is the testing part. So Angular testing is basically based on two main modules. One is Jasmine. So this is the Jasmine npm module. If you go click here, you will get how to install this Jasmine into your project. You need to use this command to install Jasmine, and this to install Jasmine. After this, there is another module called Karma. If you write here Karma npm, you will get to know about this module. You need to install this module by using the commands available. After doing this, you will have a testing setup within your project. So there are two kinds of testing available. One is E to E Angular testing, and one is unit testing. So we will discuss both of them in detail in next week tutorials. So why this testing is being done? So basically, if you go into the projects folder, so there is an E2E folder available, and to use E2E we use protector. It is an npm module, and we use some spec.ts and ts files. But to use the unit testing, what we need to do, we need to write code within the spec.ts file. So these are its main components. I will discuss this all in detail in next coming tutorials. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.